How to private featured photos on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can private featured photos on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, what are featured photos? Featured photos are simply the highlights to show about your profile. So when someone visits your profile page, they can just look at the featured tab and then they will be able to see a couple of details. The only way you can make this thing private is either you delete or remove them, or either you choose to make your whole account private. So you can choose to make your whole account private so that people who are not your friends will not be able to see the featured collection. So to do this, you can just tap on the three dots option right next to edit profile. As you do that, you'll find an option called lock profile. So you can tap the lock profile option, choose to lock your profile. When you lock your profile, aside from your friends, no one else will be able to see your featured collection at all. The other thing you can do is, if you don't want to lock your profile but you still want to only hide the featured collection so that no one will be able to see it, you can turn on professional mode. So when you turn on professional mode, your featured collection will not get deleted, but it will just get hidden from the main page so that even your own friends will not be able to see this featured collection. So this way you can private featured photos on Facebook in two different ways. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.